Shortly after 2 o'clock this afternoon, the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group, or CIDG, arrived at the Pasig City residence of business tycoon Charlie Atong Ang, who has been identified as the alleged mastermind in the case of the missing Sabongeros. The CIDG went to the property to serve an arrest warrant issued by the Santa Cruz Laguna Regional Trial Court for the charges of kidnapping with homicide and kidnapping with serious illegal detention. CIDG officers were close to entering the premises after security personnel initially refused to open the gates.
Ito, warrant of arrest. We will implement it whether you like it or not. Okay? Kahit pa sinasabi niyong wala siya dyan, how can we be sure na wala siya dyan? I'm giving them 10 minutes, sir. With or without their consent, papasukin ko, dadalhin ko pati yung lawyer nila. Pati lahat ng tao na nasa loob for obstruction of justice.
According to CIDG NCR Chief Police Colonel John Gyagi, the security guards said they needed first to consult their lawyer. Gyagi warned that failure to comply within the given time limit would result in the arrest of those on site, including personnel inside the property. A representative of Ang's camp later arrived and introduced herself as Attorney Acosta. Police officers were only allowed entry after the representative requested the names and identification of the officers involved. After the CIDG operatives exited the premises,
Sa to say, wala po tayong nakita dito. Hinalughog po natin lahat ng pwede niyang pagtaguan, no? Mula sa basement up to the highest floor. Even yung rooftop is inakyat namin. So wala tayong nakita as to presence ni Charlie Atong Ang.
The CIDG added that while Ang was not located at this address, operations will continue in other properties he owns where he could be staying to enforce the warrant of arrest.
Ito is a warning, stern warning doon sa mga pupuntahan pa namin. With or without their consent, i-implement namin ang pagsilbi ng warrant of arrest.
The CIDG confirmed the entire operation was recorded using body-worn cameras and alternative recording devices, and that anyone who obstructs the enforcement of the warrant will likely face charges of obstruction of justice. At present, the CIDG continues to coordinate with police units across Metro Manila and neighboring regions in an effort to arrest Charlie Atong Ang.
Every minute, every hour, and every day is a timeline for us. No? Walang ano ito. Hanggang hindi namin na-account lahat ng mga nandun sa warrant of arrest na nilabas ng Branch 26. All the implementing units or office ng PNP ay gagawin ng lahat ng makakaya para ma-account lahat.
Denise Osorio for the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.